Hello and welcome to the video walk on the 59-inch Audi A4 S-Line in metallic black finish with a 18-inch of Audi alloy wheels. The vehicle's got privacy glass in the roof rails and rear parking sensors, and the rear headlights are tinted, as you can see. It's got split folding rear seats and a luggage cover. And the front view of the vehicle has got front fogs, headlamp washers and daytime running LED lights. Matching half leather Suede interior with 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, rear center armrest, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. So here we have the electric windows and mirrors. It's got electric lumbar support on the side of the seats and auto headlights. S-Line seats. And it's got a 6-speed manual transmission. Then a multifunction steering wheel with the voice commands on the right hand side. On the left hand side on the steering wheel it's got the cruise control. Then it's got a adjustable center armrest with some storage department, phone preparation auxiliary, and 12-volt power outlets are in there. Some cup holders in the middle. Auto start and stop function on this one. It's got ESP traction control, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control. Then it's got a CD changer. Up to 6 CDs, as you can see. AM/FM radio. Auto rear view dimming mirror. And we have the owner's manual of the vehicle in the glove box as well.